In this video, we're going to be talking about managing user capacities. So the ability is to track a certain capacity against a user in Salesforce and then also look at their actual numbers and be able to set it for a mass amount of users very quickly. So after installing the time tracking application, click on Manage User Capacities tab. After you've come here, you'll want to choose a date range. So let's say I am looking at capacities from, we didn't work December 25th, so let's go the 26th through the 29th. And I can see all my users here. I can see that one person is actually already tracked some time today, but I want to be able to go ahead and set, because all my users that I want to set hours for, they're going to work a full 8 hours. So I'm going to hit Apply to All Rows. I'll put 8 in there, hit Apply to All Rows, and hit Save. When I hit save, you'll see that 8 hours got carried over, and for this date range, 8 times the 4 days, equals 32. So the capacity is set there for those users, and you can see that fostering admin was chosen as well. If you do have a lot of users, we added a custom sort feature. So let's say you only wanted to see the Fs or the As. You can do that. You can hit Select All. And or say you wanted to set times uniquely for one user. So let's say fostering admin was going to be off on the 29th. So let's go ahead and just set their hours to 0, hit save, and now you'll see that their capacity went to 0 for Friday. But the goal of this interface is to be able to set user capacities very quickly and for a large amount of users, and to be able to audit how many hours they've done. So again, I just changed my date range from December 4th to December 8th. I can see that the capacity for this user was only 4, but they tracked 11.25, so you can see that their utilization was very high. But in reality, that probably should have been 8 hours for that whole time. So I can quickly update that. I can see that, okay, there's their 40 hours for this week, and they only tracked 11.25. Hopefully that makes sense as far as managing user capacities. And if you have any questions, please let fostering know.